In this video, I'll show you how to create threads in Discord server. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. And for you to be able to create a thread on Discord, what we're going to do right now, we're going to click on here, right? Once I've clicked on here, I'm in the education channel, right? So I'm going to click on the thread. So I can say the name of the thread would be, okay, I can say what's your favorite. I'm using this for an example, right? Let me see, what's your favorite drink, right? So once I'm done, I'm gonna click on the enter, right? So I'll enter the message to start the conversation. I can see, let me see, fruit juice, right? So this is mine, fruit juice, right? So I just created this thread channel, right? And from here you can see under this education you can see the trade channel. So this, like, the trade channel is basically like a channel where you ask people questions, right? And they would give you their own honest feedbacks and answers. So what's your favorite drink? Fruit juice, right? Other people would comment theirs below this thread. So this is basically how you can create a thread here on Discord. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.